Probably the coldest water the 30's ever been in.
Yeah. Nothing.
Easy. Too easy. Almost too easy. Have a few goes at that.
It's soft on the exit. I've got to make a bit of a track.
That's it. That's it. There we go. Just needed a few clearing drives. Well done.
Oh, that's exciting. It's like learning how to four-wheel drive all over again.
Go on, Jocko, you can do this.
See what happens.
Look at the size of this thing. I've managed to leave a couple of perfect 37-inch holes on the exit, and sure enough, Jocko is getting caught up in them.
Oh, Jocko.